Hello, my lovely YouTubers. Welcome to the channel, The Loquacious One. I am The Loquacious One, the one-hitter quitter of affordable hauls, coming at you today with another Dollar Tree haul on some home cleaning items I purchased at Dollar Tree. I don't coupon. I haven't since the pandemic started, and I have gotten along just well. And I found the deals aren't as good as they used to be, so I don't have to do mega hauling, okay, of cleaning supplies. Okay, I learned to value what I have more since the pandemic started, and I put more stock in more tangible things than worrying about getting the best deals on cleaning products instead of hoarding. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to get started because I don't want to, take up too much of your time. This will be a short haul, and I'm going to start with this first one. I got the cap had loosened, so when I got home, I found that I had lost some of my product, approximately this much, but that's all right. It's $1. This is LA Totally Awesome Bathroom Cleaner. It says soap, scum, mold, and mildew remover. Actually puts cleaning power into plain old water. Okay, it's the fresh scent. It's 32 ounces in this clear bottle. And this bottle kind of reminds me of Method Home Care home cleaning products, if you are familiar with Method. So I grabbed this to see how it works. And I also found the LA Totally Awesome Daily Shower. Okay, works on contact, actually puts cleaning power into plain old water. It's the fresh sense 32 ounces also, and it is clear. So this will be something that I'm going to use when I take a shower. Spray the walls down really quick and either wipe them down or squeegee them to see if they maintain the towel in the shower area. Now for cleaning your windows, this is back. It's 20% more. It's LA Totally Awesome Window Clean. Okay. It's streak-free vinegar formula, glass and surface cleaner made with vinegar, and it's ammonia-free. 40 ounces, and this is a good cleaner to use. And if you happen to get some of those glass cleaning microfiber cloths that Dollar Tree occasionally have, then you will have windows that are clear, like sparkling clear and no streaks. Okay, also another one of my favorite window cleaners is this home store foaming action glass and surface cleaner. It's tint safe and it's no ammonia, it's streak free, and it is 13 ounces. This goes pretty fast because when they get it in, people tend to murk the supply. So if you can find it, make sure that you grab at least a couple of cans. Don't murk it, but get a couple of cans because they don't always carry it. But if you don't find it, then the LA Totally Awesome Window Clean Vinegar Formula is good. It's just that this is a foaming action cleaner. Okay, folks, and another one of my favorite cleaning products that I get for the bathroom is this Lime Away Thick Gel Formula Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It destroys lime, calcium, rust caused by hard water buildup. It's 16 ounces. It removes the toughest stains in seconds. And if you live in an area such as myself where they have hard water and you get that rust or that lime buildup, this is good for that. This is the only thing that really works for me. So this is an awesome buy for $1. You can't beat it. Next, I picked up these four. I picked up the 2 foam scrubbers in each pack, and I picked up 4 of these Scotch-Brite non-scratch foam scrubbers. So these are the Ocellas. It says long-lasting and reusable. What I like about these, they have the dark blue scrubber section and the lighter blue sponge section. So you can use it on a kind of fragile surface, as well as you put a little muscle power in it with scrubber section. So these are good. This should last me for a while. Again, I don't try to murk everything because everyone wants to get some stuff, and Dollar Tree doesn't carry enough of everything that you would want it just runs out fast, and people do arbitrage and just take everything to resell, which I think is not a good thing. But what can I say? Okay, leave some for everybody else. You don't have to hoard. All right. Okay, folks. Next, I found these by the Home Collection. It is 100% cotton. It's a pack of 2 bar cloths. It's 12 by 12, a perfect square. And it's, like I said, 2 in each pack. And I grab a couple of these when I go shopping. And I use these for my cleaning cloths. They're white. They don't have any dye. They're cotton, so they're natural. And they're somewhat pretty absorbent. I don't necessarily like the look of a bunch of rags. I use like old sheets and towels as things to clean up heavy soiled or greasy items. But for general cleaning, I want something kind of nice, and these do the job for that. They also have the Scrub It. They are gray, antimicrobial microfiber cloth that I've hauled in previous hauls. I also grab those when I see them, and they are also a good buy. Next, I found this. It was hanging on a strip, but it's generally carried in the auto section. If you don't see it, they don't have this all the time. It is the Driver's Choice Super Soft Microfiber Cloth. Okay, it's 16 by 24 inches. It's made marketed for cleaning off your car, but I like to use these on my uh, electronic screens. Another item that I use for my computer screens are the little cloths that are made for eyeglasses that Dollar Tree carries. So if you want to clean off your cell phone, yes, you can use it for that, but they also work on other electronic items as well. Okay, folks, one of the finds that I really think is a great find are these Scrub Buddies 360-degree fiber picks up dirt and hair. You can use it on wood and metal dusters. It's a 3-piece set. It has 2 of the white fiber dusters and 1 handle. Okay, and these are awesome buy, and you can use them for a multitude of things such as cleaning the keyboards, your blinds, your books, or whatever around your light fixtures. This is also good. So if you see these, make sure you pick up 2 or 3 of those because they are really great. And if you can't afford the Swiffers or whatever, and I do like Swiffers, but this is a great alternative to that. Next, I like this, and it says, let me turn it around so you can see it better. It is a microfiber duster. It is a blue and white yarn type of duster. It has a collapsing handle for easy storage, so it looks like this. I use this in my car for my dashboard because it gets dusty, and I find it awesome for that. I also use it for kit cleaning around the house, my picture frames, things of that nature. It traps and removes a lot of the dust and dirt. So this is a great duster. Okay, so either one of these are really awesome. I probably tend to like this more, but both of them do an awesome job. I really don't have any complaints. Okay. And I got one more item left. And look at this. This is a fly swatter. It is purple with a pink pretty flower. And it looks like this. And it's by Essential Fly Swatter. They have them in several pretty colors. Summertime is coming and those bugs are out. Do not be slapping flies with your shoes, okay, or whatever you could find, newspaper. Get you a fly swatter and please disinfect it, okay, at least weekly because it's just gross. But I do mine daily. I simply spray it down with a disinfectant spray and wipe it with paper towels, dispose of the paper towels because I think it's just gross to kill bugs and leave it hanging on something. All right. Okay, folks, so that's it. That's all for my little Dollar Tree haul of cleaning products that I got this week. Dollar Tree is stocked and fully loaded with cleaning products and PPE things that you can get for COVID-19. So stop on by. I did hauls in the past week or so of other cleaning products. I got them, so please feel free to go view those also. So if you're not a part of my YouTube family, if not, why not? Click the subscribe button. Thumbs up this video to put it in rotation. Share if you're on social media. If you have any question, cares, comments, or concerns, put them in the box below. And as always, stay safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.